guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Chewie if you're new here. So we're just gonna get right into these nails. What I'm doing for you guys today is I'm gonna show you how I got these encased flowers. So I'm gonna start by getting this crystal clear acrylic powder from the brand VVS, and I'm just gonna make a very thin layer on the top of her nail. By doing this, it's going to allow me to adhere anything, any kind of decals that I want into the nail. I apologize for the very bad camera angle here. It's really hard to record any nail videos when you don't have the correct equipment. So right now I'm just taking these Flakes by Stewart. I actually use these orange and red ones. And I'm just going to start by applying that with the crystal clear powder. And I'm going to put that at the very tip of her nails, and I'm just going to fade it up. I completely forgot and didn't notice until the very end of the video that I'd also used a silver glitter along with the little concoction that I made. And you guys will see that later. It's also blended in with these little foils. What I have next are these flowers that I got from a beauty supply store. There's no brand to it, I just picked it up. And what I'm going to do is place it onto the still wet acrylic powder. And if you have trouble sticking these down, I also use glue. Glue dries really fast, so it definitely helps stick everything down. So I'm pretty upset that I didn't have any recordings here, but what I actually did was just encased everything over. As you can see, I used the same crystal clear powder that I did from before, and then I added a top coat and added my rhinestones on top and cured that, and afterwards I just used acrylic to help secure the rhinestones so that they stay on a lot better and they don't move at all. And then I actually used the CNC Gel Top No Cleanse top coat, which I'm doing here, and just glossing everything up. That's basically all I have to show you guys for today. You can use this encasing technique for just about anything that you want to encase. For watching. I was actually asked to do more nail videos, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we will definitely have more in the future.
Maybe I'm barely alive. Maybe you taking my shit for the last time. Yeah. Maybe I know that I'm the one. Maybe I'm you run around with guys like me, just sundown when I come through. I need a girl like you.
My glasses. That's so close!
Damn it! Okay, let me just touch my hands a little for that. Now it's blurry. I'm already out, son of a bitch. We had to be like... There you go. Harder blows.
Look, I'm sorry, son.
There you go.
I feel bad that I let you drag us into this.
We're gonna do a lot of... I'm gonna hold my hands is the question.
Jackie, Rick and Summer of Earth. For the crimes of treason against womankind and for creating the sound of which we do not speak because it does not exist, you are hereby sentenced to...
I don't know.
We're all like holding our breath.
I know, I was. Like,
Don't you fucking sneeze! Don't breathe. Blow the other way.